Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to focus on the positive value growth potential of Bitcoin, a decentralized monetary system with a capped supply. To make this concept more relatable, we'll explore it through two interconnected market dynamics, negative Vanna and gamma squeeze, and a practical mechanical analogy, the air compressor. By combining financial market concepts with physical systems, we can better understand how Bitcoin's design facilitates its exponential value growth in response to increasing global adoption. Before we tie these ideas to Bitcoin, let's define the key market phenomena. Negative Vanna measures how the delta of an option changes with shifts in implied volatility. Negative Vanna describes a situation where increasing volatility forces hedgers to adjust their positions in ways that amplify price movements. Positive growth connection. In an upward trend, negative Vanna means rising prices force market participants to buy more of the underlying asset, reinforcing the price increase. Now enter gamma. Gamma measures how the delta of an option changes with the price of the underlying asset. A gamma squeeze occurs when rising prices force market makers to purchase more of the underlying asset to hedge their exposure, creating a self-reinforcing upward spiral. Positive growth connection. In a growing market like Bitcoin, a gamma squeeze amplifies upward price movements as new participants enter the system. Bitcoin's fixed supply and network effects make it uniquely positioned to benefit from the dynamics of negative Vanna and gamma squeeze events. Now, more importantly, understanding Bitcoin's fixed supply as a scarcity driver, the ultimate gamma lever. Bitcoin's 21 million cap ensures that rising demand cannot be met by increasing supply, unlike fiat currencies or equities that can be diluted. As demand increases, participants compete for the same limited supply, driving prices higher, a scenario primed for positive feedback loops. Network effects as a multiplier. The Metcalfe's law effect means Bitcoin's value grows exponentially as more users join the network. Each new participant not only increases demand but also reinforces confidence in Bitcoin's adoption, accelerating upward price trends. An air compressor provides a tangible way to understand Bitcoin's value growth. How an air compressor works: air intake. The ambient air is drawn in through an inlet valve. Next, fiat air is passed through pistons as the engine compresses the air into a smaller volume, increasing its pressure and energy density. Gamma, discharge. High-pressure Bitcoin air is stored and released as a concentrated power source, i.e. gamma. The Bitcoin engine is best understood as a fiat compressor. First, intake equals global demand. Bitcoin draws in demand from global fiat markets, including individuals, institutions, and nations. Like air composed of different gases, oxygen, nitrogen, Bitcoin's demand is diversified across use cases: store of value, medium of exchange, reserve asset. Furthermore, compression equals fixed supply. Bitcoin's 21 million cap acts as the compression chamber, restricting supply while increasing value density as demand grows, generating gamma. This fixed volume ensures that any additional demand results in price compression, akin to Boyle's law in physics: P1V1 equals P2V2 at a constant. Discharge equals upward value realization, again more gamma. As adoption increases, Bitcoin's compressed value is released in the form of higher prices and enhanced utility, such as remittances and financial sovereignty. The narrative continues, an infinite bull trend through negative Vanna in Bitcoin markets. As Bitcoin's price rises, option market hedgers are forced to buy more Bitcoin to adjust for rising volatility. This hedging demand creates additional buying pressure, accelerating the price increase. Result: Bitcoin's capped supply amplifies this feedback loop, reinforcing upward momentum. Gamma squeeze in Bitcoin. With increasing adoption, Bitcoin's price rises as market participants, including institutions and ETFs, purchase more Bitcoin to hedge against exposure. This hedging behavior creates a self-reinforcing cycle as higher prices lead to more purchases. Result, a structural gamma squeeze that drives exponential price growth over time. Unlike traditional financial assets or currencies, Bitcoin's compression-driven value growth is sustained and structural. Durable growth versus speculative events. In traditional markets, gamma squeezes and negative Vanna events are temporary, often speculative phenomena. Bitcoin, however, integrates these dynamics into its design through fixed supply and increasing demand, creating long-term value compression rather than short-term volatility. Global adoption as an energy source. Just as compressed air powers tools and machinery, Bitcoin's compressed value powers economic innovation, financial inclusion for the unbanked, efficient cross-border transactions. To conclude, Bitcoin remains a mystery, a ninth wonder of the world, the ultimate hedge against inflation and monetary instability. Infinite value growth through gamma, and potentially forever as competitive algorithmic trading continues to trade faster, from minutes to micro and even nanoseconds with further advancements in computing power. Bitcoin is infinity, a value gamma reactor.